So ngayon, papunta na ako ng Awang Airport and they said that the airport is already closed, but we will see what happened to there's something happened to the airport, and then the airplane cannot parking in the airport because there's inconvenience in construction going on in the airport in Awang, Cotabato City. And please open the airport for Cotabato City, Mindanao, because all the people now, there's a war coming from Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, and international. And why you close the airport from Awang? And the Cotabateños need to come back to Mindanao. For what happened? There's a war, and bakit mo sinara yung airport na kailangan ng mga taga-probinsya ng airport para ibaba sila dito na galing sa gera? Hayop ka sa nag-C-130 ng Mindanao, ng Cotabato City. Kung nakikinig ka ngayon, wag mo kaming gawing tanga dito sa Cotabato City. Mag-antay ka sa akin sa Manila, hayop ka. So ayun, walang C-130 ang Cotabato City. There's a personnel here in the Cotabato City na military na dito sila sa Cotabato City. Hindi sila pwede ibaba, na galing pa sila sa Jerusalem, sa Jordan. So kung nakikinig ka ngayon, pabuksan mo airport ngayon at papasok ako sa airport ngayon at magbabiral ako, hayop ka. So ito, papunta na ako ng airport. Putang ina mo! Kung talagang inaalagaan mong military, pababayin mo ngayon military ngayon, tinotorture nila ngayon sa Palestine, and you don't know what to do about religion, open the airport for the Cotabato City, Mindanao!